In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable private listing on eBay, ensuring you can hide both listing details and buyer information. This can be particularly useful if you're selling sensitive or high value items and wish to protect privacy. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the eBay website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account overview. From there, go to My eBay and then select Selling. This will direct you to the Seller Hub, which is the central dashboard for managing all your listings. Once you're in the Seller Hub, look at the top menu and click on Listings. Here you have the option to either create a new listing or edit an existing one if you want to change its visibility settings. Decide whether you want to keep your old listing or start from scratch depending on your need. After selecting or creating a listing, you'll want to scroll down to the pricing section. This is where you'll find some of the most crucial options for customizing your listing's visibility. Look to the top right corner for a link labeled See Pricing Options and give it a click. This link allows you to access additional configuration settings that can enhance your listing's privacy. Within the pricing options, you'll see an option to toggle the private listing to On. Toggling this ensures that the buyer's identities are protected during the bidding process, which can be particularly significant for sensitive sales. Once you've toggled it on, you will notice that a checkbox labeled Private Listing will appear under the Schedule Your Listing area. Make sure to check this box to designate your listing as private. This step is crucial as it confirms that your listing will hide bidder identities from others. With this in place, you can proceed to finalize your listing. As you're completing the rest of the listing, ensure that all other details such as item description, images, shipping and return policies are accurate and reflective of what you're offering. This is your last chance to make sure everything is in order before your item goes live. Once everything looks good, scroll down and hit List It. Doing so will publish your listing with the private setting enabled, ensuring that all pertinent buyer information is kept confidential. And there you have it, your listing is now private, granting you and your buyers that extra layer of privacy. Feel free to repeat this process for any future listings where confidentiality might be a concern. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy selling on eBay.